No hands still, boys. What?
Yeah.
Or bees?
Yeah,
Watch out, there's loads of bees on there. You just put your hand on it. Yeah, we're about a third of the way up, maybe. Third of the way up, but we've got to wait for people. We would power through. I think I would smash this. I think I could run up this personally.
Well, I'll put it up.
Personally. I can't though because it's busy, but I definitely back myself to run up it.
So this is another bit of the waterfall that Joe and I are climbing up. Okay, he's there. Okay.
Go on, Mum. Mum's getting a vlog as well. Beast. Absolute beast. Yeah. Still no hands all the way up. Good job, we're flexible, boys.